So right now I'm going to show you how to print a poster. So the first thing I did here is I printed this on paper. Now I'm going to line it up right here on this green line. And when I do that, it needs to line up along the line. And it's going to kind of take it in a little bit. And then you go over here and you tap copy. And this one is mixed text and images. So I'm going to tap mixed. And I'm going to select 2 copies. And there's one important step you have to do. So I'm going to click on or tap that gear right there. And I'm going to go down to where it says resize. Right now there's no resizing, so I'm going to tap that. I'm going to tap fit to. And then it should say loaded paper roll. So once that's set, I can go ahead and start tapping the back button. And then I'm going to tap the copy button. So the next thing it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and take the paper in. And there's one more step. It's going to come out the bottom part right down there. So there it is. And then it's going to stop. And then there's one more thing to do. It says to print the copy, touch eject to safely remove the original. So I'm going to eject that. And then it's going to let me take the paper out. And now it's going to start printing, hopefully. So let's see if it does it. Yes. And when you see that the print head is going all the way across, that means that it's printing the proper size. So let's see here if it worked. Yep, I can see that it has enlarged it from a piece of paper to now being the size of a poster. So that is how you can easily print a poster.